Hello everyone, I'm Igor Bogomolov from JetBrains Research. I will present you Sosed, a tool for discovering similar repositories on GitHub. First of all, we should select input projects, for example the top trending one on GitHub as of today. Let's take a quick look on what it does. It does object detection in images with transformers, meaning it's something about deep learning and image processing. Let's create an input file and paste the link in it. In general, input files can contain several links or even paths to local directories. Now let's run Sosed. It takes an input file and output directory as arguments. Also, it has several optional arguments. For example, you can provide minimum number of stars for reference projects, a number of reference projects to output, metric to compute similarity, and we pass an explain flag to make the output more detailed. Now, as we have some time while Sosed downloads the required data, let me explain the idea behind it. We took two large corpora of code, one with subtoken sequences from projects in 200 languages, and the second one contains all unique GitHub projects as of the end of 2016. We used fastText, an algorithm to learn word representations, to train embeddings for subtokens in the first corpus. Then we clustered them to get groups of similar tokens. These groups represent topics that occurred in code. Then for each project among 9 million, we computed the distribution of clusters and its subtokens. Then to measure the similarity of projects, we compare their cluster distributions. As you can see, firstly the tool downloaded the query project and extracted subtokens from it. Subtoken extraction involves language detection, parsing and filtering the tokens, making it useful outside of this tool. We made it available as a separate project. On the first run, Sosed downloads several files with tokens and corresponding clusters, which won't happen on the subsequent runs. What happens now is Sosed computes cluster distribution for projects in the query. Then the tool will download distributions for reference projects, for projects with at least 100 stars. This step is fast, as you will see now. Finally, let's look at the tool's output. For the query projects, we output a list of the most frequent subtokens. Then you see topics with the highest presence in the project. We manually labeled all the topics with short descriptions. On the right, there are the most frequent subtokens in the project for each topic. For the reference projects, we find topics with the highest intersection with the query project. Then you see descriptions, this time with the reference subtokens for each topic. On the right again, there are the most frequent subtokens. Let's check the most similar projects. The first two indeed implement neural network approaches to object detection, which makes them very relevant to the query. However, both projects are deprecated as our dataset dates back to the end of 2016. The third project is a general machine learning library, which is less relevant. But we could have guessed it from the tool's explanation, as it doesn't have image processing topic among top intersections. The tool can also look for projects in specific languages, for example in Haskell. Again, let's explore the most similar ones. This time, the first project is a DSL for neural network generation written in Haskell. Taking into account a different programming paradigm, it seems like a decent choice. The second project is a purely functional neural network library. Again, there is similarity with the query, even though the project solves a different task. The third one is a general module for statistics. It seems to be way less relevant than the first two projects, but as we can see, its similarity is also significantly smaller than for the first two. Sosed is available on JetBrains Research GitHub. GitHub page has an explanation of all its features, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach us. Thank you for watching.